Okay, Pentaflex guys at work, Mike's best buds. Here's what we did this weekend. He put in this up here. And he fell off the ladder. He looked like a monkey hanging off the rafters. And he took a big fall. But he survived. But it was a lot warmer because it's insulated much better. These are great. That thing puts out a lot of heat. It uses propane. Highly recommend it. And then, of course, the Rifleman.
And a daddy daddy.
Daddy daddy. Oh yeah, there's the camper. It's toast. And the water went back down again. We couldn't believe it flooded again. But it did. And then there's the old tent. I think we'll end up taking that thing down. It's a piece of crap now. So we got lots of wood that floated over. So I think we're going to build a fire pit in the front yard. We talked about doing that. When you guys come down for Labor Day weekend, we'll have, this will all be dried out. And there'll be lots of places to put tents, and we'll have a big old bonfire. And the lady next door is selling her house and land, if anyone's interested. And lots of hunting. There's the frog pond. Big frogs in there. They sing to us. Alright, that's it guys. I'm sending chili soon. Bye.